Hello everyone. I put up a video about my KitchenAid refrigerator. Now we just bought a new microwave. Now this microwave is not KitchenAid. This is a MAYTAG. And I'm going to do the unboxing right now. So stay tuned. And see what we got in here, and then I can give you better information once we get into the box. Alright, so we're gonna do this unboxing here, and like I said before, it's a microwave, and it's a MAYTAG hood combination. I want to see what's in this box. Make sure that everything is okay. And I got my good friend here, Fluffy. Yeah, and he's my assistant. A very silent one for that, but nevertheless, he wants to make sure nothing creeps out, jumps out at me out of this box. And he's going to protect me, right, Fluffy? Got a very good wrap. Very good wrap. I just picked it up this morning. I paid for it. I think it was on Monday or Tuesday. Best Buys. And got the email this morning that it was ready to go pick up. There's your cardboard in the corner. Okay, so we have vent right here. This is probably for the bottom, the hood somewhere, but we'll figure that out in a minute when we install it. And look at the instructions in here. This is the mounting bracket. Well, obviously I may have to take the other one down because what I have there was a Samsung, and these two brackets are totally different. So I'm gonna have to take that one down and install the new one. But that will be in another video. I got all the hardware in here. Okay. Hopefully everything we possibly need. So I don't have to run to the hardware store. And we have, let's see, piece of tape, plate right here, instructions. And the hood filter is right underneath here. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see the hood filter? Zoom in a little bit. Right there. All right. But that will also be for the next video. We'll put this to the side. All right. Let's see that. Now, we probably going to have to put it on its side. It's wrapped very, very good. I mean, it's wrapped. The packaging is excellent, no doubt. I don't even know how these guys get damaged in the shipping with all this packaging. I mean, look at the bottom of this box. It's got all this foam on there. And then you got this wrapped up in this bag. Okay, so let me clear some of this here so I can set it somewhere and you guys can see the finished product. Okay, so Here goes the plug. Alright. We have my lovely wife, helper, videographer. Follow me here. Okay. And here we have it. It says it's got a 10-year warranty. However, if you look at this small writing right here, see what it says? Magnetron and cavity. Okay. Now, the cavity is going to be this. And the magnetron is what turns this. So that's the only 10-year warranty on it. Everything else has 1-year manufacturer warranty. So I purchased an extended warranty because you never know in 3 years what happens. These microwaves, especially in this house, gets a lot of use. They only had 2 separate warranties. It was one for 3 years and one for 5 years. The 3-year one cost me almost $80, 79 something with tax. And then the 5 years was like $100 something. I took the 3-year. So it's not, it's not like a headphone where if it breaks, the car runs over, you can take it back to Best Buy and they'll exchange it. This is a little different. So be aware of that when you go buy the microwave. Ask all the questions you need about the extended warranties and everything. And what I like about the extended warranties in Best Buys is if anything happens to the microwave, I can always take it back, or they'll come and pick it up, whichever the warranty covers, and they'll give me a new one, or they will refund my money 100%. So that's what I like about Best Buy's warranties. So I'll see you guys in the next video, which is going to be the installation of the microwave. Catch you later, guys. I had to cut a couple of inches off of this because this microwave is larger than the one that was on here before, and you can see that there's a template back here from the microwave that was here before. We left the template on the wall, I guess. I don't remember. I think we did. So I just reading the instructions found out that the template for the back of the microwave is in the box. So don't throw your box away, because see these lines? You cut along this line all the way around it, and it's got one hole there and one hole there, and this is to mark where you're going to put the holes. For your template. It's going to be your template, put it to you that way. So, like right there, see, there's a hole that matches right there, and a hole that matches right here. Now, we are going to cut this out and continue working. There's another one here. I'm sorry. Let me see something. There's one here and another one here. So my bad, my mistake. This, let's see, that's not for this. Yeah, this right there. This is for your bracket, okay? And this right here, okay, you could put it up here, I guess, and it'll mark you the holes for the microwave, maybe. But I have already used the paper template. I put it up on top and made some holes, as you can see. So we'll see if they line up, because I realized that this bracket is not the same as the other one. So when you put it on the microwave, there's a space right here. So there's, see these two markings right here. These two little things sticking out. Okay, underneath that, there is an opening, and the same thing on this side, and that's where this and this is going to hang from. Now, these are made so the microwave won't go all the way against the wall, and there's a reason for that. Remember, this is a recirculating microwave, so it needs to pull air from here and let it out here. This is when you don't have a hood on top, okay, and it's going to recirculate the air. So right now, I'm going to keep working, and I'll get back to you. All right, bye. Okay, guys, so now I got the bracket mounted. All right, and like I said, I did make some holes according to the template up here, but now I'm a little confused whether this was made for that. Even if it was, the cardboard itself is way bigger than the top. So I have to see. Now, the microwave itself, you open the door and you have to remove these before operating. One thing you have to do is also remove these. You may not notice because they kind of blend in so well, you might think they're part of the microwave, but remove this part before using. So these got to come off. Yeah, I made a mess in here. I had to cut. To cut that, I used a grinder, a cutter, to cut that because I needed to make a straight line, and even like that, I still chipped this. It just chipped out. You know, there's no ways around that. But hopefully, I got it right. Let's put it up and see what happens. See you in a minute. All right, guys. So there it is. It's plugged in, and yeah, I kind of wonder up here. All this is like really open. It doesn't have a screen or anything in here, so I don't like that about it because anything can fall in there. So be mindful of that. But other than that, I mean, it looks pretty good. I don't like the MAYTAG. It looks really big on there. And I was really hesitant on buying MAYTAG because I know MAYTAG for washing machines and dishwashers. So I told my wife, all right, so we open it up and throw our laundry in there and get done. But let's see. All right, here we put the we'll put the filter on in here. Let's see. We got the filter right here. Oh, and here is the base for the tray. And here's your filter. Let's see what we got going on here now. I know that there's a light that we can use. Oh. Okay, so the light works. Hold 3 seconds to lock, and then show half, off, full, half, and off again. Okay, so if we hold 3 seconds, it flashes. Okay, so I suppose it locks. So if you just kind of turn it on, the way it looks like, it'll turn off. If you leave it on, like you turn it on and then walk away, it'll probably turn off on its own. All right, let's see. So it's got the little lip down here. Let's see. So I'm guessing you slide it in through one side. Okay, hold on, guys. Slide it in through here. And slide it in right there. right there. There you have it, guys. And it's on. My next project is going to be this stove right here. Same thing as out the window. Oh, yeah, we got a little bit of dust in there. Look at that. So we got a lot of cleaning to do. We'll get back to you and let you know how the microwave is working. And yeah, we bought this guy not even a year ago and it's already not working. That's the Power Air Fryer. So we got to look into see if it's still on the warranty, which I believe it is. And check it out and see if we can send it in for a warranty. And that depends also because she bought it online. Okay, here we go. Okay, so there we go. Right on there. Look at that. That's a beautiful thing. So I got to find out if I can turn on the light in here while I'm cooking so I can see. Or it turns on automatically. I'm sorry. I guess it does, right?
No, yo creo que ninguno. Esos son los hornos.
Oh, it turns on. It's on. It's on. See, I don't know if you can see it. Okay. See? And it's turning. Cool. All right. I'll get back to you guys. And here's the pan. Oh, wow. Okay, so cancel to turn it off. Fan off. All right, guys. I'll get back to you and we'll let you know how it works.